What's up guys, in this short tutorial I will show you how to make a video black and white using Premiere Pro. This should be quite an easy tutorial, everything you need will be listed in the description below. After importing your clip to Premiere Pro and adding it to your timeline, make sure to use the editing workspace and navigate to your effects window. In case you're unable to find it, then go to a window and select Effects. Here, search for black and white, and under Image Control, drag and drop the black and white video effect onto your video footage in your timeline. This will apply a basic black and white filter to your video footage. Back in your effects window, search for Levels, and drag and drop the video effects adjustment into your effect controls window above. This will present you with more options for your black and white effect. In most cases, you will want to slightly increase the black input level, as it's currently set to 0, and reduce the white input level as well. I hope this helped you out. Leave a comment if you have any questions and see you in the next one.